What's going on, everyone? This is your man Ant, and welcome to the Crypto Fix presented by btminers, your place for everything crypto. I know it's been a while since your boy did this. I'm here to give you the news, but not only the crypto industry, but we're going to focus on btminers today. So let's begin. In our first btminer story, we have a new app available now on Google Play Store and the App Store. We have some awesome features on this app, such as Earner Calculator. You can check how much you earn when mining, minus the electricity costs. Pool ranking all the mining pools from the greatest to not so greatest. Mining data shows you the latest blocks and network data. Halving countdown shows you when the next halving for different cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, that's going to have next year. And miner rentals, giving new and existing customers the ability to rent miners from us. Such more features we have on this app. The btminers app is available on Google Play Store and the App Store. Links will be down in the description. More btminers news. We are still offering miner repair and hosting if your miner is out of warranty with the manufacturer, or the manufacturer don't want to cover the repairs for your miner. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 813-820-0668 or email us at store@btminers.com. We know that the holidays are approaching fast. Our motto for the holidays: may your shopping cart be filled and your crypto wallets never empty. btminers is having a Black Friday sale from November 24th through November 27th, and the sale begins at midnight. Listen to these sweet deals we have. We have a combo sales, pretty much buy one, get one free. We also offer an extended 6-month warranty on selected miners. If you download the app and make a purchase on the app, we will give you $50 off on that order. That's hard to pass up. This is your man Ant. This has been the Crypto Fix presented by btminers, your place for everything crypto. I want to wish everyone happy holidays. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Until next time, happy mining.